When it comes to having labels made, we really recommend our friends at Pacific Barcode. And they do it all. They do pre-printed labels. They do both black and white and full color. They even do short run, plus blank stock and laser labels and scanners and printers, both black and white and full color. Tags for apparel. There's tagger attachers that you stick the tags onto apparel. You name it. If it has anything to do with barcode printing, they're the company to go to. So before you start designing your laser labels, doing it yourself, I strongly suggest that you go to their website, www.pacificbarcode.com, and just do a quick comparison of prices. Come up here to their site, click on pre-printed labels. They have both fanfold and rolls. Let's just take a look here at the fanfold. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick the size of the label that you want. You can order online or you can get a price quote from them. But seriously, when you factor in your time and the aggravation and the cost of the Avery labels, the toner, gosh, it's going to be a lot cheaper having them do it for you. But having said all of that, there are some times when you just need to make some labels now. And you can buy Avery labels at your local office supply or come to Pacific Barcode and you can get blank stock from them as well and save some money. But what you're going to do is once you get the labels and you open up that label in Microsoft Word, this is what it's going to look like. Now, sometimes when you open up the template, you're not going to see these blue lines. So you have to come over here to Layout. And if you don't see all these blue template lines, there's a little toggle here, View Grid Lines, turn it off, turn it on, and so on. So this is a 1.5 inch by 1 inch label template. So let me show you what you do. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your mouse and you are going to start in this first grid. Now, you're going to insert a barcode, and the barcode that you're going to insert is the JPEG image that you got from us. Now, that JPEG image is considered a picture. So to insert a picture in a Microsoft Word document, you're going to go Insert, Picture, and I have these sample barcodes here on my computer. This is the UPC, double click, and it pops right in. Now there's a little bit of overlap, and we don't want that number to be cut off. So hold down the Shift key, come over here until you get that arrow and that crosshair, bring in a little bit. It's automatically centered, and that's right in the label. So what you're going to do now is you're going to highlight that with your mouse. I use Control C for copy. Control V is for paste. And you're just going to come over and hit Control V, and you're going to keep pasting them until you get all of the barcodes pasted in the grids. So just keep doing it till you're done. Make sure you're using the right template for the right label stock. Print that out on your laser printer and you're good to go. I certainly hope this helped a lot. Thank you so much.